Micro Center's been a company that's been around for quite a while. They started in Ohio. They've expanded to many states across the US. They are a North American, United States-based company.
Before the Carousel, they were on a giant shelf with many boxes facing outwards, all with many colors on them, none that matched the color that they are, but that the type that they were really didn't help with the confusion on what you needed to get or where it was, and just was kind of like looking at a giant sea of nothing. Limitations would probably be speed, because most people needed a lot of help with what they needed to find on the wall of filament. Like, nobody would walk in and kind of just digest where everything was. They'd almost always need to ask where a specific filament was, or need help being guided to a specific spot on the wall of just giant text that nobody could see. So it was really just a lot more involvement from the employees.
Definitely retail space was the main challenge. With the Carousel, we're able to actually incorporate a lot of product into a small package, and it has a novelty to it. It actually attracts customers to come to the store just to see it. People see it on the internet. They want to come see it like they would a Carousel at a theme park, basically.
The amount of shelf space that filament would take up probably would cover this entire back wall of the store. We probably wouldn't have enough room to display our 3D printers without it.
The process of integrating it was pretty easy. A lot of the starting out and stock placement is really straightforward as far as where you place certain items, and then once you get those items in stock, it just stocks them to where they belong.
There's just a lot to be said about something that can hold that much filament, 600 or 700 boxes of filament in it at any given point.
The system has definitely reduced the need for staff intervention, because it does make it a lot more self-serve, a lot more straightforward. It lets them find their filament without much intervention and just lets them go on without their day.
The attraction of having the filament machine here to begin with brings people in. So you're already just getting it as an attraction. And then the people who want to just come in and buy filament, who already would come in anyway, all they have to do is scan it, and it makes it a very seamless process. They get what they need, they take it up to the cash register, and they're able to make their purchase without a hassle.
I'd say the impact of the Pan Carousel has been pretty positive overall. It definitely helps speed up purchases a lot, and is pretty easy to load too for inventory purposes, so it makes it a lot easier overall for everybody.
I would actually recommend it to other stores if it suits their needs and they're trying to save floor space for a product that can fit inside of it.